guys, dito kami sa may Kurais naman. Monday ngayon, hindi ko dala yung GoPro. Pupunta kami dito sa ibang branch. Ito guys, nandito kami sa may ibang branch. Dito walang renovation. Bago lang yung showroom dito. Pasensya na kayo guys, hindi ko dala yung GoPro kasi in-invite lang kaming pumunta dito, ewan ko anong meron. Buti pa sila bago showroom, malaki yung furniture din nila dito. Magiging ganyan din siguro yung sa amin, yung sa renovation. Dami nilang parang magiging ganun din siguro yung area ko, yung dining, nasa loob siya ng mga column na yan. Nag-uumpisa na kami sa ewan ko kung ano yung meron.
So great to see everyone here, and I'm so happy and proud to be in this moment. سعيد بوجود الجميع وفخور ان اكون موجود في نهايه سنه عظيمه، واكيد كلكم عارفين السنه اللي فاتت كانت هي
very successful year. If you look into my engineering, some of the stores have done commendable job. Most of the stores have done commendable job. Like the CPR group, I think it's the second best SPD. Like the highest SPD was obviously when I was there. But I think it's second best SPD ever. The best store, I think, one of the best store which has picked up really well in H2 is CPR 3, wherein we were promising that we will, which I promised us, that we will reach 218 SPD. And here we are at 177. It's a good number to be there. And ideally, when we look into H1, we were at 164. So it's a good journey. But taking that,
supporting them, helping them, is also will keep you happy, because it's the nature of human being, right? So when somebody helps, I'm very happy that I got a help, and when somebody I help, I even feel more happier because I could help. Because this is over a period you'll understand. I think I'm probably a little older, so I know too much of what's happening between the human behavior. But in general, be as a happy bunch, work together. I think the luck will keep continuing. The luck is a factor which, when you do everything right, it's called luck, right? And you make the situation in your favor and do everything right. And it's not that I'm not scared. I'm not telling you that you should never fail. So by doing mistakes, by failing on few things, you will learn even better. But not repeating those mistakes, not failing consistently is important. So stay course. So anyway, we have a lot of certification to issue to a lot of you, and we'll move forward to that.
you know, we were talking about SAC for CPR 3. Very promising guy. I think out of a lot of new SACs, he's the one we are looking forward for. Good mentorship of Jerry. Jerry is our. Thank you very much, sir. Thanks, sir. Gaza.
you have a big job ahead.
Yeah, renovation. Keep completing all these incentives, increments, and this is happening. But I think these guys.
One, two, three.
The only constant with Arnold is his hair. We got a lot of feedback from Sadiq. He cut his hair. But when I asked mantra. He said, this is my success. So I told him, please continue. Because he's in CPR.
I need this. I want my
So jokes apart, I think Arnold is
Sharp
hardworking, dedicated, very
Sharp.
sharp in furniture. And I think when I joined as a management trainee, I know he's constant in CPR. He never transferred from CPR. I don't know if that's a good or bad. But still afterwards, I had the whole circle of transfers and back to CPR. He's still in CPR.
You're making money? It says it.
Yes.
Yeah.
He's the second richest guy after Nabil.
Wow. Wow.
Well done.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Well done.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Mr. Bilal.
What did you want? Video.
Continuously calling me, and I requested him let me come back and have your issues solved. So we came back, we solved his issue, and we are very happy to retain him.
The first VN who's created Bohemian.
Yeah.
He created Isabel.
Well,
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
It definitely requires solution to get in here. So
we'll visit store and
we will hand over.
See you.
Non deve di offside.
And he will get coached by me as I get time, and he will also grow. Thank you.
Hey guys, so, kain na. Ito mga guys, oh. Katunayan yan, certificate, superstar season sensation. Tapos na yung recognition. Ito na yung update dito sa renovation namin. Ito na siya. Yan. Dati yung ceiling nandito pa. Ngayon wala na. Ito, nakatambak na may mga gypsum board. Kaya maano yung boses ko, naka face mask ako kasi masyado malikabok. Ayan na siya. Kontrata to, mga 1 buwan siguro to, maigit itong lugar na to. Pagkatapos nitong matapos, yung kabila naman doon. Pagkatapos naman yung dito, yung kabila naman banda dito. Yung mga bandang mga 2 months dito. Minamadali ito kasi ito kasing store na to, ito yung mabenta sa lahat. Kaya minamadali nila. Malikabok. So